Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be sharing some of my resources that I use during my preparation, and I'm sure that you will get some clarity about your own preparation by seeing this video. So let's get started. Let's start with bio. For bio, you know NCERT is never less than a Bible or a holy book for any aspirant because each and every line matters. So first point, never read NCERT from mindlessly or effortlessly, because by doing so you will you will always face a problem in solving assertion reason type of questions or statement based type of questions. So always try to read NCERT with examiner's perspective, or think that how examiner will frame a question from the phrase that you are reading. Okay, no, now second point is always take a pen or a pencil, highlighter, anything to highlight or annotate your NCERT, because it will always help you to create a visual memory for a long term. If I can show you my one, see, if you can see, I have written so many sentences and the points in the blank spaces that I have got. So this will supplement your information regarding NCERT. Whenever you get a new point from your test, whenever you get to a new thing, you always try to add it in the blank space of NCERT. Okay, so if we come to books part, I use Akash modules along with MTG fingertips, and you can use any of the MCQ book available in the markets. There are so many. So for video lectures in 11th, I didn't join Akash in my 11th, so I relied on YouTube lectures, particularly Ritu ma'am lectures and Vipin sir lectures from PW. In 12th, I relied on my Akash faculty. So totally, and I also use MadEasy for my quick revision, like here, MadEasy. So yeah, that's all it. Let's move on to chemistry. Okay, so now moving on to chemistry, I would like to break into three parts: physical, inorganic, and organic. In physical, I used to practice questions from my ACAS modules along with NEET PYQs and NCERT textbook exercises. And also I used to solve JEE main PYQs of last 2 to 3 years of JEE main PYQs in mainly December and January period, because that time I had my JEE main January attempt. It also helped me to score a good percentile in it. So for physical chemistry, you must have all the formulas of all the chapters on your fingertips, right? So just jot down all the formulas of a particular chapter on a single set and revise it on a daily basis. It will surely help you in solving numericals. So that's it. Now moving on to inorganic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, again, NCERT most important. Try to read as many times as you can. In inorganic, for 11th standard, for 11 chapters, I used to watch Om sir lectures on YouTube from PW, and 12th for 12 chapters, Akash faculty. And in inorganic chemistry, try to make your own notes in which all the facts and exceptions are written in a single notebook, in a single page, so it will try to it will help you to revise more quickly. And in inorganic, there are very few chances for a unique question to be framed. They will just ask from the same repeated PYQs on trends. So whenever you find a new info during question solving, just write it down in a notebook. It will help you a lot, right? No, next, moving on to organic. For organic, I relied on more on video lectures rather than reading the whole textbook. And for MCQ solving, I solved Akash modules as well as JEE PYQs, which gave me a leading edge, because in organic chemistry, reactions can be remembered more easily by solving questions on it, right, rather than mugging it up. So for organic chemistry, I also use MadEasy, chemistry MadEasy PW, right? So next moving on to physics. So now coming on to physics, the most crucial for everyone. In physics, for 11 chapters, I completely relied on Alak sir whiteboard lectures, and for 12th I studied it from Akash faculty, and also supplementing it with MR sir and Salim sir YouTube one-shot lectures. And for and for question practicing, I must say that you must prioritize your coaching DPPs and modules first. Modules and coaching DPPs, modules plus PYQs first, and then if you want more practice, then you can solve last 4 to 5 years of JEE main PYQs, but never get in a form of various author books available in the market, right? Because at last in the examination you have to solve 180 questions in 180 minutes, so never get in the form of that. It always focus more on giving more and more on giving tests, at least one test in a week or a 10 days. So that's it, and so that's it for today. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. So you can ask any of your queries in the comment section. See you in the next video.